plane, a really, really good plane. All right, so our seaplanes. What's going on, guys? Captain Harley here with How To Boating. Now let's talk about our seaplanes here. Okay, we'll just draw a plane, a really, really good plane. All right, so our seaplanes. Now, actually, a seaplane on the water shall, in general, keep well clear of all vessels and avoid impeding their navigation. So this seaplane must keep out of the way of all other boats. Now, there are certain areas where seaplanes have priority over everything because they are part of a seaplane launch area. But in general, like it says, they must keep well clear of all vessels and avoid impeding their navigation. And that's same thing with a wig craft. Okay, they call it a wing in ground craft. So say it's a multimodal craft which in its main operational mode flies in close proximity to the surface by utilizing surface effect action. So that is what you call wing in ground. So they must also keep out of the way of power driven vessels and everything else.